Baby love balls!
Hello friends, my name is Lorraine and this is Oriana, and today we're going to be reading The Gingerbread Man. What does the Gingerbread Man say? Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the Gingerbread Man. Let's read. The Gingerbread Man by John A. Rowe. The Gingerbread Man. Once upon a time, in a little old house, there lived a family of mice. One day, Mother Mouse decided to bake a gingerbread man for her children. She mixed the dough, cut him out, and popped him into the oven. After a while, she went to the oven to see if the gingerbread man was ready. But as she opened the oven door, the gingerbread man jumped up and ran away as fast as he could, laughing and singing, "Ha ha ha, hee hee hee, I'm the gingerbread man and you can't catch me." Mother Mouse chased after him, but she couldn't catch the gingerbread man. So he ran and he ran right through the garden where Father Mouse was busy digging up carrots. "Who are you?" called Father Mouse. And he answered, "Ha ha ha, hee hee hee, I'm the gingerbread man, you can't catch me." Father Mouse chased after him, but he couldn't catch the gingerbread man either. So he ran and he ran right across the field where the mouse children were playing. "Who are you?" called the mouse children, and he answered, "Ha ha ha, hee hee hee, I'm the gingerbread man and you can't catch me." The mouse children chased after him, but they couldn't catch the gingerbread man either. So he ran and he ran till he came to an old hedge, taking a rest. "Who are you?" called the hedgehog. And he answered, "Ha ha ha, hee hee hee, I'm the gingerbread man and you can't catch me." The hedgehog chased after him, but he couldn't catch the gingerbread man either. So he ran and he ran till he went past a hill where two beetles lived. "Who are you?" called the beetles. And he answered, "Ha ha ha, hee hee hee, I'm the gingerbread man and you can't catch me." The two beetles chased after him, but they couldn't catch the gingerbread man either. So he ran and he ran till he came to a hare asleep in the grass. "Who are you?" mumbled the sleepy hare. And he answered, "Ha ha ha, hee hee hee, I'm the gingerbread man and you can't catch me." The hare woke right up and chased after him, but he couldn't catch the gingerbread man either. So the gingerbread man ran and he ran, and soon he came to a fox lying beneath a tree next to a river. "Who are you?" asked the fox, licking his lips. And he answered, "Ha ha ha, hee hee hee, I'm the gingerbread man and you can't catch me. The sly old fox just laughed and said, if you don't get across this river soon, you will get caught. Why don't you climb onto my tail and let me carry you across? The gingerbread man saw that the river was too deep and that he had no time to lose, so he climbed up onto the fox's bushy tail. Oh dear, said the cunning fox. The water's getting much deeper. Why don't you climb up onto my back so that you don't get wet? So the gingerbread man climbed up onto the fox's bony back. Oh dear, said the hungry fox. The water's even deeper now. Why don't you climb up onto my head so that you don't get wet? So the gingerbread man climbed up onto the fox's furry head. Oh dear, said the fox. The water's much too deep. Why don't you climb up onto my nose so that you don't get wet? So the gingerbread man climbed up onto the fox's quivering nose. Then, suddenly, with a quick flick of his head, the sly old fox tossed the gingerbread man up into the air and he caught him with a snap of his jaws. And that was the end of the gingerbread man. Did you enjoy that? We enjoyed it too. What was your favourite part? I liked when the gingerbread man got on the hungry fox's back and they swam across the river. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.